You gotta see it. You know? Mm-mm. Sorry, y'all. Hey Suga Wugas, I'm back at y'all again with another video, and today, my Suga Wugas, I'm in the car, of course. Let me pray over this goodness before I tell you what I have. Amen. Today I'm doing Five Guys, y'all. Five Guys, and I got me a dog. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this down real quick, and I'm gonna dump my fries inside this bag because I got to dress it up with my salt and my pepper. You see, salt and pepper right here. Got to go in the bag. Gotta go in the bag. Shake that up. Shake that up. I got some vinegar. Come on. And some ketchup. It's a bacon cheese dog, y'all. Bacon cheese dog. Let me hold this up, okay? Eat that. Oh. And I got the egg on. Let me turn on. Oh. Oh, man. Light him. That's good. That is good, good. You gotta see it. You know? Sorry, y'all. About the lighting, y'all know how it is. Oh, I got my coldest water bottle traveling with me today, y'all. And you know I got Pepsi. Pepsi. Take another bite, Yes, I'm hungry. Set that down. You know I got the vinegar. Vinegar with the fire. Hold that. It's good, y'all. I don't know. Gotta get the car checked again. I looked down and see my engine light on. Whew. Oh well, go get it checked. Go get it checked. Had to put that on just, you don't want no spills. Get my hat on. We got bacon, fried onions, relish, ketchup, mustard, and cheese. Mm. Put that down real quick. Oh, burn this out. Wipe that off, y'all. Gotta wipe that off. Take it to the head. Take it to the head. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Mm. Mm. I don't know why I keep going out. Well, I know these fries good like this anyway. Just plain. If I don't have any ketchup, it just seemed like it wouldn't be right to get some vinegar because it's there. No. I just felt like a something simple, hot dog. You know I wasn't getting no burger. Nope. I don't know. Next time I'm gonna get me a burger. Oh, that beef. I don't know. Excuse me. I ain't doing a lot of talking. You know I'm gonna eat it all day because I don't know about all the fries because they give you a lot of fries. They give them a lot of greasy fries. See? I put it in the bag. Look. Greasy. Greasy. You know I'm full. Yep. Woo. I'm drinking some water. Drink some water along with the caffeine. What is going on? It's acting up, y'all. You see that with the lighting? I don't know what's wrong with y'all. Not y'all. What's wrong with y'all? Yeah. Yeah, put that right there. Right there. Right there. A little piece. I'm a little tired. Today I'm a little tired. Huh? We supposed to be going to the beach this weekend. But it looked like the clouds and the sky just not gonna let that happen because it looked like it's gonna rain. It's gonna rain. Mm-hmm. I don't know. Y'all see that? Now, eat some more fries with the vinegar. Put some more fries with the vinegar. That's a lot, y'all. To me, for right now, because oh, dry sauce. Oh, it smell like vinegar. Yeah, hurry up. Hey, I'm sorry, y'all. How y'all doing today? How y'all doing today? What y'all gonna eat for lunch, dinner, or whatever time of day it is over there with y'all? Look, oh yeah. I ain't gonna say don't forget to subscribe. Thumbs up this video. And share, comment, do all that good stuff. Hit that notification bell. Make sure it's on all so you can get everything, so you can be notified when I do another video. I was within. You know? They give you a lot of fries though. That is for sure. They are fries. Woo! I'm stuffed. Alright, y'all. Ooh, that Pepsi really be doing it though. When you be feeling something full, and you take a swig, y'all know. I tell y'all all the time, don't I? But y'all, that was good. That was good. That was good. It hit the spot. It did what it's supposed to do. I'm not hungry anymore. I was like, let me hurry up and eat. And at first I wasn't going to do it on video in the car. I was like, let me wait until I get home. And I said, no, the way I'm feeling, I'm a little tired. I don't know if that's going to happen tonight. So let me go ahead on and share my lunch with y'all while I'm out here in these streets. Right? What y'all want to see me eat next? I ask y'all that all the time. I do. I'm going to throw this bag away. You know that? I'm going to throw this bag away. I'm sorry, y'all. I shook y'all again. I shook you again. But I'm about to let y'all go if y'all already didn't let me go. Okay? And I'm going to say it again. Thumbs up the video. Subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Share. Comment. Let me know what you want me to do. You got anything you want me to talk about. All that good stuff. And here's a big old hug. Excuse me. I'll see y'all on my next video.